Hello everyone, welcome to the training restaurant of IHMCS. This is Atithi Training Restaurant. Let's move on to our restaurant.
Welcome to Atithi Training Restaurant.
She is the hostess of Atithi Training Restaurant. Let's move towards the restaurant area. So this is the bar section of Atithi Restaurant, where every equipment related to bar, whether it is glassware, whether it is chinaware, whether it is salver and other required things for bar, it is all available on this particular counter. Let's move towards the table section, where we have done the table setup for 3-course menu, and we are using the silver service, which is also known as platter to plate service. Let's discuss about one packs. One packs is one customer and one table setup. So we will discuss what table setup we have done and how it is going to be served during a customer is present. So first, this hostess will assist me or escort me towards my table. So this is called chair assistance. This is called chair assistance. This chair assistance is important to give to the guest, and if it is a lady guest and a male guest all together, then first we have to give chair assistance to lady guest first. Then we have to give assistance to gents guest. Now this napkin, very first thing is unfolding this napkin. So what we have to do, firstly we have to unfold this napkin and we have to keep this on side plate. This is also known as side plate. This is also known as side plate and B&B plate. Okay, so as we are doing a 3-course menu. So first course is our soup. So we are using, so we are using first course soup bowl लिखे हुए corner से. So let's suppose salver पे. My first course is soup. So when the steward is serving soup to me, so he will directly, so as it is silver service, so we are doing service from which hand side? Left hand side or right hand side?
So left.
From? Left hand side. Silver service is always done from left hand side. So she has placed a soup bowl in front of me. I will use this soup spoon, as it is the first course of my menu. So I will use this soup spoon and I will drink my soup, and further it will be cleared. Clear karo yahan se. Clearance is always done from right hand side. Right hand side. So clearance is always done from right hand side. Go back side. So my first course is over. Okay, now my dinner plate is here. So silverware और एक spoon और एक fork एक साथ लेके आओ. So now it is turn of my second course, that is main course, and main course consists of various food items. It can be a meat course, it can be vegetables, it can be rice, pasta, or it can be anything. So while serving, so this is known as silver platter. This is platter and this is plate, and we are serving food from this platter to plate. That's why this service is termed as silver service or platter to plate service. Here he needs to serve me food like this. He will serve me like he has to overlap this silver dish over my plate, and he has to pour food on my plate. Okay, let's suppose I have finished my main course. So I have used fork and knife to have the main course. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So while using this, once I am done with my main course, I will put this in my plate, and again with the clearance of आप बैठिए इस पे, गेस्ट बनिए सुमन। So let's suppose I have done the clearance of main course. Now what I have to do? I simply have to pick this on solver. Solver is not required here. We can do this cleaning with our bare hands. We will use this technique, holding technique of plates. You can either use your finger and the small finger, or either you can use your 4 fingers to hold the plate. Next, when we are done with main course, we have to pick this B&B plate or side plate also. All the cutleries should be on the lower plate, and all the leftover food will go to the lower plate. And now the dessert is coming, yes or no?
Yes.
So because dessert does not require any salt and pepper, yes, so it is also not required. It is not required, so we have to keep this also in the service tray. Okay. And now we have to put this cover for the dessert course. So simply you will pick this spoon here, you will put this spoon here. Okay, and this service clearance is done. I will put this used cutleries and crockeries at that area. Then I will bring this salver to remove this cuvette set, as cuvette set is not required in the dessert course. Okay, so I am picking this up and I am taking along with me, keeping it here. Now dessert plate. So now this is my dessert which I am going to serve to my guest. As it is the last course, I will serve this to my guest. Sir, this is the dessert. Oh ma'am, this is the dessert for you. Please enjoy your dessert. Now she will use this spoon or this fork, and at last we have to clear every single thing. Once she is done with the dessert, I will clear this, and only thing left after the 3-course meal is the water glass and the bud hose. Rest everything should be eliminated during the end of the course. Is it clear to everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is known as the clearance and the table setup of Silver Service Restaurant. Thank you for the day.